So another Evil Sunz update, because that's what I've been working on. And so here we have the Battlewagon. Finish this thing up. You know, surprisingly, these Evil Sunz paint jobs just don't take very long because it's not that hard. Even on this one with a lot of surface area and a lot of hand painting, it still didn't take very long. Yeah, so it is. Just a stock Battlewagon. It's the only one I have at stock. Figured no need to convert up something that's already built. I just went ahead and built it, or painted it up. As I said, I just painted over the existing blue paint because it really wasn't on there thick enough to worry about. And this is the final results. I did rust up the tracks, the underside. The exhaust is nice and rusty with pigments. You can see the pigments along the edges there and on the tracks and on the tires to give it the dirty appearance there, like it's been running through the desert. Probably soften up those edges if I really wanted to. So I got an Evil Sunz decal there, which is surrounded by the sun's burst. And there's some grays on here, some gray pigments. I use this kind of make it look a little more dirty. Okay, well, excuse that edit there. The camera had a brain fart. So anyway, as I was saying, this is Def Roller off the Valkyrie Battlewagon. I do have to get another Def Roller for this because it's slightly different paint color on there. It's not quite as vibrant red, and I do want some yellow on it. But that's what it looks like with the Def Roller. Yeah, just a real basic Battlewagon, nothing too exciting. Got lots of flames and yellow on there everywhere. A few diags. Added some check decals. A couple spots. Some decals right here to the door, kind of break up that area. Something a little different. Yeah. So yeah, there's it. That's the Evil Sunz Battlewagon. So going through and putting together a list for all my Evil Sunz models. Right now we're sitting at about 1,845 points. So that is Zadsnark, the big mech, 3 units of truck boys, 1 unit of 30 shooter boys on foot, the mech that I made, the tank busters, the 2 flyers, Wazbomb and the Blitzer Bomber, the 5 Ludas, 4 trucks, and this Battlewagon. So I'm still short of 2,000 point army. So I need to figure out what I need to do to fill it up with. And because I do want to go up to the full 2,000 points. I think maybe another mech on foot with a KFF so I can put him in the Battlewagon. I don't know about that yet. It's not going to be tank busters because I already have I have 3 full units of tank busters now, so I don't need any more. Well, not full, but they're 12. 1 of 10, 2 of 12. Yeah, I got plenty of tank busters. So I'm thinking Def Copters. I do have some Black Reach Def Copters I could repaint and touch up to look like Evil Sunz. And I also bought this. This is a Viper. It's missing the passengers. I picked this up for $5, actually less than $5. And so I'm thinking about looting this into a Def Copter. I like this a little better than the jet bikes. It gives me a little more surface area to play with. But I think I'm going to loot this up. I haven't exactly figured out how. I think it's something I want to do. Again, for less than $5, why not? I'll come up with something to do with it. Give it, orcify it up a little bit. So yeah, this will probably be a Def Copter. But it still puts me about 100 points short. I'm not exactly sure what to put in there. I could do bikes, but that would require buying new bikes, so I'm not repainting any of the ones I have. Because they've already been repainted once from yellow to blue, so the bikes are the only Def Skulls units I have, including my knob bikers. So yeah, but so you guys suggested what I should add to the list. I think Def Copters will probably be the way to go. Adding in some Evil Sunz Def Copters, because I also don't need a DACA jet. I already have 3 DACA jets in Blood Axe. I don't want any more of those. Or if I actually play this list, I could just run Blood Axe Commandos. Just run a unit of Commandos, my Blood Axe ones, just to be a little bit different. So if you have suggestions on what I should do for that last 150 points, let me know. Other than that, there's really not much going on. I haven't made any progress on Samuel yet. I really need to get out the airbrush and do the flyer, and it's just been a matter of me being lazy. So another really quick update. Again, I'm very happy with the Battlewagon. I think it looks fantastic. Just enough weathering to make it look worn, but not so much as to cover up the red and yellow paint job. Yeah. So super quick update this week, and I'll talk to you later.